Alright, so this plant right here is a gray-headed coneflower. This is really good for seed mixes and landscaping with because it's showy, it grows really easily, and looks nice. You can tell that this one's a coneflower because you have these flower petals that droop down, and by its name you can see kind of the head of it is a little grayer, and it has like a darker head behind that. So this is gray-headed coneflower. It's doesn't get taller than about this height, 3 feet, and blooms kind of in beginning of July through beginning of September. Black-eyed Susan, and it has the blacker central disc. And the leaves are a little bit different too. Instead of having deep lobes on it, it's just simple leaf, and it's more just round. You can see here we have a false sunflower, or the oxeye, and it has a yellow central disc, and a lot of those characteristics too. You have a center point where you have a couple of the stems coming up with flowers as well.